Onyancha.
Nago tigana bono no roboti rugo ikense mede tumurekera mangana rengete chisemini gobono abana bali babete bakwebwatirania na kanyora muri tagenki ochinga kichobore bwa Covid-19 ane abana abanyaruka na kuberera gotige sukuru ni gasiri tukuri ya robanyo romo esoma ega yo konyoro bokonye kurwase kyombeke magetali ge serikali European Union Covid-19 response awon banyarre bakuru obokonyi bwabo muri kito mirde mu manyi kurwase county ya Kisii ni gatwaliga roboti rwa senchera iyo wime.
Abana batali kwenyara na bali banyolire abana nakoba abayibuli abake batarakora chiskuru nigo basirirwe elyo kwiranira amasomo abo nse kyombeka European Union Covid-19 response program gwetera daraja United Women and Youth Empowerment buna enchera ya moyo kubanyura abana abo kwegenderera ase chisemi ase baigwa ebintu buna ebikoroto ebagi skuru amone uniform.
Objective of this European Union project is first to know how the young girls are doing in the community after COVID-19. So the purpose of this project now is to make them return to school by giving them incentives of school uniforms, having counseling services, both the guardian, parents, and of course the schools through the Ministry of Education. Like today we have given or we have issued these school uniforms for both primary and secondary schools, giving a full uniform. It's just a 2 million project for a pilot.
Nigo omoteneneri bwe kyombekyo atebirenga nonya bali bataliko chia kogendereria amasomo abo nigo banyorete amaigelyo bunabarachiye gukora ebyasara.
For the girls who never went to school, we also have a project for them under the empowerment, that is life skills. They went through a training for 2 weeks, which gave them skills on financial literacy, and now they have received checks, which will help them start small businesses. The challenge we got during this period is that the schools, all of them, were making uniforms and of course change of uniforms. So some will receive the uniforms later, but we have promised that we will supply all the uniforms as required.
Omokonyi bwo mwabisabu semi ime ya Kisii Central nigo akire ekyombekyo ngambya mono asoko ene kya chisemi ngo sirwa chire asabolire abana bonsi kogenda eskuru ekyagera serikali nkwene kierebuna abana bonsi nkwakanirwa bale school fees.
The Basic Education Act says that all students must attain education, and not even pregnancy is supposed to curtail their progress in education. So we encourage all those mothers who are teenage mothers to go back to school. The government is paying for the free-day secondary education funds for all children who join Form 1 in the secondary school. So the government is waiting for any child who has joined Form 1 so that the capitation in form of the free-day secondary education money is provided to that child.
Asa baibuli bali abanyora obokonyo bwo nigo batabisa omogokobo aseba kambya mono gochiase ekyombekyo na gosaba kegenderera boigo butambe.
Nashukuru hii NGO ya Dawoe sababu imetusaidia sana, imeboresha maisha ya watoto ambao walio wengine ni mayatima, wengine na wenye wajiwezi.
Nimefurahia kwa sababu si kuwa na uwezo wa kupeleka mtoto wangu shule, kumnunulia kama sare za shule, lakini Dawoe imeniwezeshea, nimepata viatu, nimepata uniform, full uniform kwa ujumla.
Kulipotelea Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, Litaliane Mildred